Here's how to add a link to your Instagram bio. Now you can see I have my iPhone as well as my Android. I'm going to show you the exact process on both phones so that no matter what device you have, you're good to go. The first thing we need to do is find that link. So on both cases, I'm going to use my YouTube link here. So on the iPhone, I can tap on the three dots at the bottom right, tap on share, and then just tap copy. So I have that URL. You can also just type it in. On Android, I'm going to tap the three dots at the top right, and then tap on share, and then just tap on the copy button. So now we're good to go. I'm going to head back into Instagram on both devices. Tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then tap on edit profile right under your bio. You can see here a bio option. However, you don't want to add it to your bio because that won't be a clickable link. You can just manually type out the URL, but nobody will be able to click it. To add a clickable link, tap on Add Links midway down, and then tap Add Link at the top. In both cases, I'm going to just press and hit paste, and press and hit paste. And then just add a title in both cases. In my case, I'm going to just title this YouTube and YouTube. And then just tap the done button at the top right, or the check mark in the case of the Android phone. Tap the back arrow, tap the back arrow again until you get to your profile. And now if you refresh this, you'll be able to see your link right there. You can tap on it. Of course, I just added it twice. But then just tap on that link and it will take you directly to whatever link that you want. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.